Okay. The court's been tendered a lot of the exhibits today, and over the course of the trial, the court's going to review the testimony and the evidence that's been presented. I need to take a little bit of time to do that, but in the meantime, it's come to my attention that the interveners are filing or asking me to file an emergency motion for access to judicial records, and I don't know who filed it. Natalie Spears, is that person here? Okay, there's no response. They also filed a notice of emergency motion and a memorandum in support of interveners' emergency motion for access to judicial records. I do want to note, I don't know if anybody's here on behalf of the interveners, but this was during the middle of arguments presented to the judge's backdoor chambers, which is highly, highly inappropriate. And it will not be tolerated by this court. That's not how documents are filed or presented to the court. Since nobody's here on this motion, I should just strike it. Because you can't file a motion, call it an emergency motion, and then not be here to be heard. Is anybody here on behalf of this motion? There's no response. The motion is stricken. They can always refile. I was thinking, I don't know what everybody's schedules is. I think I could have my ruling by December 18th.
Your Honor, I have a preliminary injunction hearing scheduled in federal court on the 18th.
Okay. Can somebody tell me a date that's right around then that's agreeable with everyone? You can take a moment to discuss it. We're going to go off the record for just a moment to discuss scheduling. The available dates, it looks like December 19th at 3 o'clock. So this case is order of court, December 19th, with it'll be for ruling at 3 o'clock.
Your Honor, can I submit to the court?
Yeah, I need all the exhibits.
1 through 57?
Yes, I need all the exhibits. State, I got your exhibits in a redacted form. I have one bunch. Is this another?
So this is for the court file, Judge. These are all redacted. The version that we gave you this morning was the redacted versions of those that you previously had in your personal binder. So this is for the court files. All redacted.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. McKay, yours probably are not redacted,
They are not.
right? But
But
some
you're
of
not
them,
going to give them out to anybody.
well, there was an objection. And we're still in the middle of trial.
That's right.
So I wasn't going, I'm not going to tender them to anyone because there is an objection. Anything else or any other issues before we adjourn for the day or evening? Any events? I'm sorry?
This year around 7 o'clock.
I know, because we've all been working late until like 7 or 8 o'clock every night. Anything further, State?
No, Judge.
All right, everybody have a great night. I'll see you on December 19th. Court is adjourned.